In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust keyframe interpolation in Cinema 4D. Interpolation defines how your animation moves between keyframes, whether it eases in and out smoothly, travels at a constant rate, or jumps abruptly. Getting this right is the difference between stiff movement and polished, professional motion. Start by selecting your keyframes in the timeline's F-curve editor. If you're looking at the standard timeline, switch into the F-curve view so you can see the animation as curves rather than blocks. Click the keyframes you want to adjust. Selected keys and their curves will highlight, making it easy to focus on exactly the motion you're shaping. With those keys selected, you can sculpt the timing with the Bezier handles. Drag a handle outward to make a longer, softer ease. This lets the value change more gradually near the key and accelerates across the middle of the interval. Pull the handle inward for snappier transitions. Tilt the handle up or down to influence how quickly the curve approaches or departs a value. Think of these handles as speed controls. The flatter the curve near a key, the slower that moment feels. The steeper the curve, the faster the change. If you prefer to switch behaviors quickly, right-click a keyframe to open the interpolation options. Choose spline for smooth, natural motion that eases automatically. Pick linear if you need constant speed from one key to the next, which is great for mechanical motion or steady pans. Select step when you want the value to hold and then pop to the next key without any transition. Perfect for on-off states or pose-to-pose blocking. You can freely mix these modes across different keys to get the exact rhythm you want. Finally, to control how new keyframes behave by default, click the small icon on the time slider and set the default interpolation. Choose linear if you want a consistent starting point with even timing, then add nuance later in the F-curve editor. Or select spline to have new keys come in with organic eases right away, ideal for character and camera work. And that's it. By selecting keys in the F-curve editor, shaping their Bezier handles, choosing the right interpolation mode, and setting a default that matches your workflow, you'll get cleaner curves, better timing, and animations that feel intentional from the first pass. Take a minute to experiment on a single parameter, watch the curve respond, and you'll quickly build intuition for translating ideas into precise motion.